fresh graduate ng City College of Calapan. Nakapagtapos akong kursong Bachelor Science Tourism Management. Isa akong babaeng madaming pimples. Sumasali sa beauty contest, kaso di pa lagi nanalo dahil di pa sapat yung skills ko at hindi fluent yung pagsasalita ko ng English. Hay, sobrang baba ng self-esteem ko. Palagi na lang ako nahihiya, palagi nabubulol at ngayon naghahanap pa ako na mapapasukan ng trabaho para ikakabuhay at may pangkain sa sarili ko. Hindi ko alam kung makakahanap pa ako ng trabaho. Hay, kung pwede lang mag-magic, ginawa ko na. Pero bahala na. Bahala na si Batman.
Mama, dyan po yung mag-trabaho.
Morning po.
Pangalan mo, Miss?
I'm Kylie Taveros, ma'am.
Ikaw pala yung nag-apply sa online platform namin last day.
Yes, ma'am.
Ito, Miss.
Mindoro po, ma'am.
Can I see your document? Wala ka pa palang experience?
Yes po, ma'am. Wala pa po.
Alam mo ba ang patakaran dito?
Hindi po, ma'am.
Hindi ka ba nagbabasa sa online ng patakaran namin dito? Tingnan mo nga yung damit mo. Ganyan ba nag-a-apply? Wala dito nag-a-apply ng ganyan. Tingnan mo din yung itsura mo. Ang dami mong pimples, yung buhok mo, ang gulo-gulo. First time mo mag-apply, pero ganyan itsura mo. Hindi mo man lang inayos sa sarili mo. Alam mo ba ang hinahanap namin dito? Siyempre, yung decenteng tingnan at pati yung may experience na hindi katulad mo.
Sorry po, ma'am.
Yes, dali. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Can I see your document? Yes po, ma'am. So, madami ka na palang experience? Yes po, ma'am. So, madami ka na palang experience pagdating sa ganito. Your document, madami ka na palang experience pagdating sa pagtatrabaho? Yes po, ma'am. Okay, congratulations. Hired ka na. You're welcome. Hi, Miss. Ikaw ba yung nag-apply kanina? sa sarili.
Maganda naman ako Bakit ganun? Bakit hindi nila ma-appreciate yung...
Okay ka naman. Maganda ka naman. Ang kulang lang sa'yo is confidence. Tumutulungan kita. May re-recommend ako sa'yo para mas maboost pa yung skills mo at magkaroon ka ng experience.
Talaga ba?
Oo. Ito yung card na nakatulong sa akin. Pwede mo akong tawagan dyan.
Salamat ha.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock.
Yeah.
You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself.
Standing in the Hall of Fame,
Yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name.
yeah,
'Cause you burn with the first flame,
yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile, you can walk straight through hell with a smile.
you could be the hero, you get the gold. Breaking over, make
This is your question. What are some activities or hobbies that make you feel confident and proud of yourself?
The activities and hobbies that make me feel confident and proud of myself are dancing, painting, and playing the piano. Dancing allows me to express myself and feel free.
Contestant number 2. How do you define self-worth and what factors contribute to it?
Having a self-worth, it is a deep sense of value and appreciation for myself. It is about recognizing my worth as a unique individual that's believing in my abilities and qualities. By having a self-acceptance, by embracing my strengths and weaknesses, by achieving personal goals that can boost my self-worth and having self-care. Thank you.
Contestant number 3. What steps can you take to cultivate a healthy and positive self-image?
For me, to cultivate a healthy and positive self-image, you can start by practicing self-care, setting realistic goals surrounding yourself with supportive people, challenging negative self-talk, focusing on your strengths, and embracing self-compassion. Regularly engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment can also contribute to a positive self-image. Thank you.
The winner of Mutia City is Kylie.
Ano kailangan nila? Can I see your documents? based on your documents, marami ka na pala na-accomplish. So, marami ka na hindi nagawa. Okay, check. So, hired ka na. Yes. Okay, thank you. Bumalik ka next week.
Be, hindi magmumudin. Tumayo kayo. Thank you po. Wag mo lang. Pinasabi ka na ganun.